guys, it's me Cassie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And we are back again with another video, and this time it is about cooking nutritious spaghetti Filipino style. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells so you can't miss any of my other videos. It is nutritious, guys, because we are gonna be adding grated tomato and carrots. It's because it's actually a trick. It's the same color, it's barely noticeable, but it's very, very nutritious. So here are the ingredients. So here, guys, we have the ingredients. We have some garlic, some carrots, some tomatoes, and here we also have some onions. We also have some ground beef. Of course, we need it. Here we have olive oil. You can use any kind of olive oil, but I am going to be using this virgin oil. And we have some black pepper. We also have some spaghetti sauce, two kinds, one the sweet one and the not sweet one. We have some asin, and we have this, a grinder. We use it for the carrots, the vegetables that we're going to be using, and all that. Okay, guys, so here we have the stove open, very hot. Now we're going to be using first this garlic, but first we are gonna put some olive oil or any kind of oil that you want to use. There we go. Get as much as we want. There we go. But first we're gonna wait for it to become hot. Boils over, after it stops boiling, that's when you know it's ready. Okay, now guys that it's hot, we're gonna put some garlic. I should have got mittens. Go, put it all in there. I should have really gotten mittens. I need mittens! Now we're just gonna be waiting till it becomes brownish and it's ready. Okay, now guys, it's already brownish. It smells garlic, so that's when you get it. Now we put some onions. Mix it. It's on low heat right now, so it will splatter on me. There we go. Now we can add the ground beef immediately. Mix it. Make sure it covers it all. And we're gonna wait till it's more brownish and juicy. But first, we're gonna put some black pepper. Then we're gonna wait. And salt. And a little bit more. There we go. Now we're just gonna wait for it to turn brownish and juicy, basically until it's cooked. Okay guys, so it's brownish. It smells very good actually. Now we're gonna put the carrots, then tomatoes. But first we're gonna put some tomato. And some carrots. First we mix it. Low heat. Mix it a little bit. Now put the carrots. Then mix it. I didn't put the carrots and tomatoes earlier because it was gonna be overcooked. It would burn like that. So yeah. Okay, now guys, we're just gonna let it sit there for about a minute and mix it while you're at it. Now we're gonna be using the Monte Quality Italian and sweet spaghetti sauce. So it's just the right Filipino style and mix. Here we go. First, we're gonna be using Italian. Whoop. Whoop. Squeeze it all in so we won't waste it. Now we're gonna go the sweet style spaghetti sauce. Ooh. This is much more liquidy. Much more easy to get out the packet. Now we're gonna mix. Now where is it? I don't have it. Where is it? I gotta find it. There. Oh, it fell. Now we're gonna mix it. And later we're gonna be putting some Eden cheese. You can get any kind of cheese. Now guys, we are gonna be using this, 1/3 of it. We have a knife and we have cheese. Now how to get this off? But just gonna be waiting for the cheese to melt. And when it's already good, I'm gonna get back to you guys. Okay, now guys, the cheese has melted. It smells ready and it looks particularly good. Here we go. Now we're just gonna put it on the pasta, but if you want to learn how to make pasta, go check my Spanish pasta video. It's already boiled and ready, so we're just gonna put some placings and it's ready to serve. Okay guys, here it is. The plating is ready. So I'm just gonna be tasting it. A taste test, if you will. It's hot. It's amazing, really. The spiciness is just right. The mixture of sweetness, it's absolutely amazing. Like really, it's also the cheese. I can still taste the cheese. So guys, if you want to learn how to cook this and also my other videos, check that out and let's go end this video. That was that. My sister really want to eat now and also my grandmother. So I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video. I love you guys. But before we end this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bell so you can't miss any of my other videos. Mwah! Hasta la vista. Love you guys.
Yummy! So guys, kakain na kami.
Oh my gosh.
Grabe. Sarap. Wow, kasi pwede ka na maging chef. Oh my gosh. It's yummy.
Mwah! Love you guys.
Delicious kasi, delicious spaghetti kasi. Thank you. You cook other pasta again. I like that.
My ego's getting big. But love you guys. Bye.